Hello, today we will see how to set up Google Ads conversion with dynamic value tracking and enhanced conversation. In our previous tutorial, we have seen how to provide information to our Google Ads account via GoogleTagManager for our website purchase. Now we will see how to send another customer information or their purchase story to our Google Ads account via GoogleTagManager, like conversion value, transaction ID, currency code, etc. throughout the purchase tag from GoogleTagManager to Google Ads account. So because for this procedure we have to make some settings. First of all, we have to enable the enhanced e-commerce from our Google Ads account. We have to click on goals, then click on settings. Okay, here the enhanced conversion of all leads have to enable it. Okay, I have already enabled it for my tracking system and save for GoogleTagManager. So I have already done these settings, so I'm going to skip it. Now I have to customize in our website development page from some plugin. So I have to click on plugin section and have to click on this plugin, and we have to set up for our settings. Okay, now click on integration, then have to click WooCommerce section. Here it is. Okay, now we have to enable the track enhanced e-commerce, as we will collect some information from our data layer. So I have to enable it for our data layer resource. So our backend process is almost done. Now I have to create some settings to our GoogleTagManager. In GoogleTagManager, before going GoogleTagManager, I am going to review it and going to purchase some product to see how the data layer works, as we have customized some settings to our website backend page or development page. So I'm going to purchase a product to see whether it works or not. So I'm going to view cart, click on checkout. Okay, now the purchase process have almost done. Now click on place order. Here it is. So our purchase event have been occurred. So I will check whether the data layer is showing the whole information or not. So I'm going to check out from our GoogleTagManager's development page and click on data layer. So here I am seeing all the information about a purchase story have been almost here. So I have to use this information to make some custom variable for this tag to make enhanced conversion. So I have to click GoogleTagManager and have to see which information I will send. That is conversion value, transaction ID and currency code. Now I am going to in variable section from our tag manager. So I'm going to click on it, and this section we will customize some custom variable from here, but we are seeing that some built-in variable are there. I'm not going to use it as I want to send some specific information, so I am going to create some variable, custom variable especially, and going to select data layer variable as we will collect the information from our data layer. So okay, now I'm going to select objective e-commerce and copy it. Okay, sorry, e-commerce is a variable name, so I'm going to select some objective, that is transaction ID, currency. So I'm going to select currency first, paste on it, and going to rename this variable name as DLV transaction currency variable. Okay, now I'm going to save it. I will also create another two variable, custom variable for setup. Okay, I'm going to select data layer variable, almost same to same as we have set up or made up in the first one, and going to copy the variable name e-commerce, and the object will be transaction ID. So I'm going to copy it and going to paste on it. So also I will change the name of this variable as it is custom variable for data layer variable, so I'm going to rename as DLP transaction ID and going to save it. Okay, the another variable is almost done. Now the last one. Okay, I'm going to select data layer variable, select to variable e-commerce. Okay, dot okay dot okay, select the value and going to paste here. Okay, also we'll rename the variable name, that is DLV purchase variable. Okay, the three variable custom variable is almost done. Now I have to link this variable with our tag, so I'm going to click on tag. Okay, now click on the purchase tag as it relates with our purchase story, so I have to click on purchase tag, and from this section we will set up our custom variable what we have previously made. So okay, conversion value. Okay, now all the custom variable are going to fill in there. Okay, almost done. Now going to save it. I'm going to preview it whether it works or not. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, here the connected have been established. Now you can check from Google Tag Assistant. Okay, I'm going to buy another product. Okay, I'm going to purchase another product, that is shoe. Its all activities are experiment basis. Now click on add to cart, view cart. Okay, checkout. Okay, so we have to place order. Okay, here it is. The purchase process have almost done. My order where number is 4437, total value is $270. Now I will check in data layer whether the variable is okay or not. Okay, variable, here it is. You may see the 3 custom variable we have made in morning for our website. So here it is. Okay, okay, from this procedure we can also send our customer others information like okay, from click on it. Okay, so all this information we can send via GoogleTagManager to our GoogleAds account, as we have sent it just before. So all the settings, all the lesson have been successfully there. Okay, so